If I look back on my old career, I wasn't happy. My family knew it. I was always stressed out. There was no area of opportunity there for me. Now, after attending RSI, I'm really happy that I chose the HVAC field, and life couldn't be any better. RSI prepared me for the HVAC field by giving me the fundamentals and a good platform to get into this industry. I had a job before I even graduated. I love the company I'm working for. There's tons of potential here. The pay's great. There's lots of room for advancement, and I just love working in the HVAC field. And working for a great company like Gettle, the sky's the limit now. I don't have to start from the bottom anymore. I have a degree, I have something that they can't take away from me, and that's what I love most. I would recommend RSI to anyone. They're a great school, and they're the way to go.
Start at RSI now.